In this video, we'll learn about an author's purpose for writing. Authors write for three main reasons: to inform, to persuade, and to entertain. What is the purpose of this text? The writer says it's 2035. That's in the future, so this text doesn't have facts. The writer says the robot gives advice, but sometimes the advice is wrong. That sounds like it could be the start of an interesting or funny story. These clues tell us the author wrote this to entertain readers. What about this text? The text is about the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a plant. The text has facts about the plant's leaves and how it traps insects. The text gives information. It doesn't tell a story or try to get us to do something. So, the author wrote the text to inform readers. This text looks like it could inform too. It's about bees. It includes a fact. Out of the 100 food crops we need most, bees pollinate 71 of them. That's an important fact. But look at the first two sentences. Who needs bees? We do. And after telling us how important bees are, the author tells us to plant certain flowers that bring bees to our yard. The author wants us to feel a certain way about bees and do something to attract them. The author's purpose is to persuade. Now you know how to look for clues that will help you figure out the author's purpose. See you next time.